Hey guys, I left the camera up here. It's as tall as I am. That's insane. Wow. So heading out again. It's now almost 12:30 p.m. on Saturday. It doesn't look a whole lot different than it did last night. There's obviously a little more snow, but as far as conditions go, it looks the same, just now in daylight. And again, neighbor being a prick. So it doesn't really look all that much different, but snowplows come by, so we got more of a snowbank. It's good. It's gonna be a pain to clean all this up. I'm not looking forward to it. So I just gotta go down to the pharmacy and pick up some meds if I can. That's all I'm doing today. That's all I'm doing. I'm still trying to recover from my walk last night, and I get to do it again. Yay. At least this time I'll be in the daytime and I'll be more visible and I'll be able to see cars a little better. Well, I don't know. It's almost better to see cars at night because you get the headlights coming. You can see them a little sooner. But hey, you know, we'll see. I go for a walk and wear myself out even more. Yeah, a little bit of an update here. I come down the hill. There's no sidewalks. They're not dealing with anything until this is done. Obviously, they're just taking care of the main roads. But I'm on the main street here. Look at this. It's insane. Wow. Like this snowbank beside me here is like chest high. That's insane. Okay, I am at the pharmacy, so I think I'm gonna walk to the post office too to check one more time. I know they're not open today, but if I got there kind of early, so it's entirely possible I got there before they were finished sorting the mail for Friday. So I'll stop in there too. Look at this snowbank. That's crazy. Wow. Okay guys, I left the camera up here. It's as tall as I am. That's insane. Wow. The next few days I'm pretty sure we're going to be seeing a lot more of this. Wow. Definitely a white Christmas this year. Wow. So, nothing at the post office, so it's not that I got there too late yesterday. There's just nothing there. So I decided I'm going to walk down to the dam, sit in the shelter there for a bit, take a break. Yeah, I just got smacked from behind by this huge wind gust. It just about blew me over and the whole entire world disappeared.
I'll warn you, there's no sidewalks and spots back there.
Okay, thank you.
Yeah.
Oh. Hey guys, I don't know if you heard that. I said there's no sidewalking spots back here. I'm not surprised. They're only going to be concentrating on downtown right now, keeping the the sidewalk. They're not going to be spending a whole lot of time dealing with all the little side streets. They're just going to get plowed or drifted back in like 2 minutes anyway, so. Oh, I'm exhausted. The drifting is this what's crazy. That's a flat parking lot over there. Yeah, huge snowdrift alongside the building. That's just crazy. Oh! Snowbank. I gotta climb a mountain here. I'm dressed for this, I don't care. I'm sweating, I'm not cold or anything, I'm sweating. I'm really snowproof. I don't have to worry about getting snow in my boots if I walk through deep snow. I'm well prepared for this. I'm just exhausted. It just takes so much energy to walk through this stuff. That's the big issue. And here I am extending my distance. But I'm just doing that just to show what we're getting here. And it's far from where there's another huge snowdrift as the wind swirls around the building. That's nuts. The liquor store's busy. Yeah, people can't go anywhere. I'm gonna stay home and drink. Wow. Big snowdrift here. All the way around the building. That's crazy. It just shows the wind patterns. Wow. That's pretty deep too. All the way around the building, just like perfect curves. Oh, that's wild. There's snowdrift taller than I am. That's the one thing I do like about winter. One of the very few things. It's pretty. It's very scenic, picturesque, but it can be deadly. And thankfully, that person that was lost in the snow last night was found alive and awake. Because you saw the conditions I was in when I was out, and to be laying in the snow, he must have been injured, or he could be an older person that just doesn't have the energy to get up, like me on some days. So for him to be laying there for an hour before the call even come in, conditions like this, I don't remember what the temperature was. It was minus 11. Look at ice. That's ice. The cars are driving on ice here. So I gotta make sure I don't step in front of anybody because they won't be able to stop. But when I went out in the morning, it was minus 11 degrees Celsius. I'm not sure what that is in Fahrenheit. I'll throw that up on the screen there. But the wind chill, you know, your skin can freeze in like seconds if it gets really, really cold. So to be laying in the snow that long before the fire department even got the call, and then the amount of time it took them to get there because of the weather, he easily could have died. So he's very, very fortunate. Okay, I gotta keep my ears open behind me because I didn't hear that truck until he was like right behind me. Oh my goodness. Okay. Nothing coming either way. Climb another mountain here. Oh. Soft, sinking into it. Well, I know what direction the wind's going. Look at it drifting around a tree and around a rock. This one rock creates that much air turbulence for that long a distance. That's crazy. That's a huge disturbance. Same with the tree. Like from there all the way over here. That tree over there, same thing. Yeah, this is where I normally park the monster right here. That won't be happening today. It's pretty good snow dip coming through here. The world just disappeared. That's what happened with that other. Oh, nice sit down. That's what happened with that other blast. Just after I left the post office there, I got smacked from behind by a wind gust. Everything just went white. Everything disappeared. You don't want to be driving in weather like this. Now, like I say, it's like, you know, we got 2 more days of this. So I looked at the radar earlier. I didn't take a screen cap of it, but there's nothing around. There's this big blob of snow over us. That's the only place it's falling. Like, not just Wingham, but I mean like east of Lake Huron. You can't even see the snow coming off the lake. It's just there once it gets on the land. It's really weird. It's just like this throbbing blob of white dropping all this crap on us. And of course, with this strong winds, it's making it hard. Like, wow, that is gusty. I kinda wish I brought coffee with me. I was just gonna go to the pharmacy and come straight back. So I didn't bother bringing my coffee. It'd probably be frozen by now anyway. So I'm gonna set the camera down and I'm gonna sit here and enjoy my break. Rest a little bit before I make the trek back home. The one thing I forgot to mention when I got back last night is my pockets were full of snow. I have a feeling the same thing's gonna happen today. So I'm just gonna take a quick, oh wow, that snow's pretty deep here. A quick walk over to the river here. Wow, this is like knee-deep snow. It doesn't look that deep. Definitely frozen over now. For walking on. Those dark areas are probably slushy. But it's pretty much frozen over. Okay, I'm gonna go back the same way I came. That's pretty deep. Oh. So while I was sitting there, we had a strong gust come through and the shelter started creaking. Don't collapse on me. These 8-inch by 8-inch beams are pretty strong, but when they get frozen, they can snap pretty good. So, but there's a lot of them. There's 10 holding this whole thing up, but you know we got a big sail up here, and it's strong wind. Look at my footprints from when I came in; are completely gone. You can't even see where I walked in here. I can kind of see them up on the part of the snowbank here, but the snow blowing across here just filled them right in. Up we go. I'll go this way. I'll walk through the parking lot here. Start heading back and see if there's anything new to see. I'm going to show you real quick here. This is the trail. That's the trail I normally try to venture down. Holy smokes. And out the parking lot. That'd be a good place to turn around if you decide to go back home, but I can't see anybody parking in there. I'm gonna go walk down the trail today. Lots of snow removal out today. That's the difference with going out in the daytime or going out at night. The plows are out. Full force. There we are. Oh my goodness. I'm getting exhausted very, very quickly here. It's getting progressively worse out here. Like, there's no visibility at all. So I took a chance. A bunch of gents to walk by. I took a break. I went back to the post office and took a break on the bench there. You can stand the wind. And while I was sitting there, I had a bunch of people walk by me. And I was heading home. And I saw them coming out here. I didn't want to take a chance on walking out here to Jimmy's because if the sidewalk is plugged up, there's more traffic now, and I'm not going to be able to see them very well coming towards me, so I figured I wasn't going to try walking through them. These people that walked past me, they were heading up this way, so I figured I'd just walk. It's kind of exhausting as it was, but I managed to get through it. And I got the volume art break. Head over to the place. Oh, it wouldn't open, I thought it would. Be open until 3 o'clock today. I noticed the sign on the window. Closing at 1 p.m. today due to the weather. So I was so looking forward to that coffee. I'm not mad at it though. I'm disappointed that I walked all the way out there for nothing, but I get it. I totally get it. Because, you know, people, like I say, most people that work in this town live out of town, so, you know, they want to have a chance to get home before the daylight starts going away. So they're closing up shop early and heading home. Don't blame them at all. I'd want to leave early too if I was working. So hopefully everybody has a safe Christmas. Traveling goes. Traveling. Oh man. Heard a plow. A lot of tractors out today. Oh, there's somebody on a scooter. 2-wheel scooter. I don't think I'd be doing that. Yeah, he's sticking to the sidewalk. Stuck in the snowbank. Get her going. There you go. Oh man, the roads are like ice. They're just slick ice. I don't know how many times I've almost fallen. It's just crazy. I just got this hill to walk up now. Hardest part of my trip. And then I'll be home. I'm back at home. My facial hair is frozen solid. Hope I don't have any snotsicles hanging down. So, I'm just gonna sit here and recuperate a little bit before I head in. I gotta let Zach know Timmy's is closed because I know he was thinking of going out for a walk again later. Because they're supposed to be open till 3. At least I got some exercise. I'm really gonna pay for this. Once everything's done, I'm gonna be so worn out. It'll take me a long time to recover. But Hit Kenny's nuts for him. Get a verification that nothing's at the post office. Got to see some crazy scenery. Some crazy weather. Mobile. These guys will be happy. I think beautiful weather for them. Frozen, so that hurts. I had an itch. I went to scratch it and like yanking on my hair. Ow, that hurt. Aside from the visibility part, which can be dangerous for snowmobiles, it's kind of nice. They're coming back. There's my neighbor across the street, apparently. We're having fun. Two-stroke. Oh, I hate that horrible oil burn smell. Like I say, I got some energy and some. Zach! 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 Hey! Timmy's is closed.
Oh, they closed early?
Yeah, they closed at 1 because of the weather.
Fuck.
Yeah, that's what I said when I got there. I was hoping I'd see you before you left. Okay. I caught Zach before he left. I just saw him walk by. I said, wait. He's gonna hail for a walk anyway. Oh, Christmas Eve. I really hope there's nobody planning on traveling tonight. Or even today. It's insane. If it's like this in town, I can imagine what this could be like out on the highways, if they're even open right now. So, anyway, that's all I got for this one. Let's update what it looks like out there. Oh, 8, 9, 10, 12. Like 16 hours later, it doesn't look any different than it did last night when I was out, so. Still coming. I hope we don't get too much. Hey, stay safe, stay warm, stay home if you can. I'll see you in the next update.